Hey! Didn't see you there. Just getting rid of this parabola junk.
Okay, cool.
Ah! Hi, my name is Jim Jankowski, and today I'm going to explaining. Okay, I'm going to explaining the rock cycle. Woo! Ooh, 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 ooh. How does this technology? Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, rock cycle. Yes. All right. Rock, coal. All right, that's how you spell it. Anyways, so there are lots of types of rocks. So the first type of rock we're going to start is an igneous rock. Wow, igneous rock. Igneous rock. Now these rocks, they're cool, right? You get it? So they're cool because they cooled. Igneous rocks, they cool, so they kind of like cool over. It's a snowflake. It's a snowflake. They cool from, guess what? Guess what they cool from? Can you guess it? Can you guess it? Guess what? They cool from magma. Yeah. Magma. And magma is the... Shut up! I'm in class! So magma is the molten material from inside the earth. Right? And so when it gets to the surface, it's like, oh frick, I'm not inside the earth anymore. Where it's like super hot and stuff. So I'm like, ah! And then it cools into an igneous rock. Next, moving on. So, next part of a rock cycle. How do you get magma? So, when any rock, so we're going to go to sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks. So these rocks are like sandstone and stuff. So sandstone rocks, they form from sediments. Now, what are sediments, you may ask? Well, that's a dumb question. But sediments are like the fragments of rocks, right? They're fragments. And they form, so let's draw some sediments here. Wow, these are shards, sediments. Can I see? Oh, yeah, these are sediments. So sediments form from when any type of rock weathers or erodes. So when a rock weathers and erodes, so like the wind is like, yeah, yeet. And then the rain is like, yeah, yeet. And then the rocks are like, ah, I'm falling apart. Ah. And then they fall apart. That's how sediments are formed, right? So now these sediments, you may ask, these sediments, they're kind of dumb, right? They're just some fragments of rocks. Well, you're wrong. Sediments are awesome. Because sediments, you know what they do? So sediments, they're just chilling, and then water comes over, and the water is filled with minerals, and the water goes away, but the minerals stay, so the sediments, like, they harden. They harden into one rock, and guess what it hardens into? Sedimentary rocks. So this becomes this, but this, when it weathers and erodes, it becomes this. So weather, it becomes this, and then cement. When they cement and compact, they become this. All right. So now, also, this sedimentary rock, guess what it can do also? If it melts, it becomes magma. And guess what that becomes? Igneous rock! Huh? Still there, magma. Magma and sediments are pretty cool. All right, moving on. What's next, you may ask? Well, that's a dumb question. These are metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock. Now, what is a metamorphic rock, you may ask? Well, metamorphic rocks are when a rock like an igneous rock or a rock like a sedimentary rock go under heat and pressure and they get smushed and then they make a new rock. Frown, draw a frown there because it's under heat and pressure. Under pressure. Anyways, these rocks, they're kind of cool, right? You know why? Because when this rock, the earth is like, oh crap. They make their pressure and then the pressure goes down and it's also hot. It's also hot. And it's like hot and then pressure makes it go down. It becomes a metamorphic rock. Metamorphic. Morphic. Anyways, so these rocks, guess what? They're just chilling. And these rocks, so they're kind of like layered rocks, but like they're not igneous rocks or sedimentary rock. They're just their own category. All right. So now what? We've covered all the rocks, only 3 types of rock. What, you may ask? Okay, well, there's more. It's just a cycle, right? So metamorphic rock can also melt like this or this one into magma. And magma goes into igneous. So metamorphic becomes magma, and then it becomes igneous. Or metamorphic weathers and erodes into sediments. And then these sediments, sedimentary to this. So everything can become sediments and everything can become magma. And there you have it, folks. That's the rock cycle.